In this episode, I'm going to show you how to take glass and turn it into copper, and then how to make it into a rusted copper look. First, I took a box and I poked holes into it and made the sizes of those holes big enough to where I could stick the top of the glass ornaments into it securely. Next, I started with Dixie Belle's Patina paint in the iron. You want to make sure that you shake up the paints really well. I used this foam sponge to stipple on the paint. I learned that I needed to start at the base first and work almost a third to a half of a way up. And then I would stick the ornament back onto the box and finish working the rest of the way up the bulb. I had to do a total of 3 coats on these to get the solid base that I wanted. Then next, I used the Dixie Belle Patina paint in copper. Again, you need to shake this up really well. Same thing, I would start at the bottom with my foam and I would press into it, stippling all the way around, about a third to a halfway up, before I would stick it back into the box and finish the other side. It took 2 coats of the copper to get the bulbs practically fully coated, and then I took an art brush and I painted the tops and the rest of the way up the sides of the top of the bulbs. And this is what it looked like. The next part, in order to get the rusted aged look, you need to make sure that you use the patina spray while the paint is still wet. For this look, I used the patina spray in green, and once again, I used the sponge to stipple it on top, and then I just stippled it all the way around, and when I turned it over into the base, I redid over the parts that I had touched. And then once they dried, they came out like this. I was super happy with how they turned out. They look so real. You can find the links in the description below to the listing of all these products that I have used, except for the glass bulbs, which I got at Walmart.